I'm James.
I'm John.
And we're doing some NoS.
For our newest, from the lunchbox to the Newell box.
New box.
I was reading the NoS can.
Well, that's fine. This is the shit that you put in your cars when you want to blow your engine up.
Yeah. Actually, I believe nitrous oxide makes it, actually cools it off so it can run at higher horsepower.
That was Buzz Killington, ladies and gentlemen.
I saw Anyway, we have NoS Loaded Cherry with the MPLX6. They don't even fucking use vowels. Let's hammer down on some. Looks like cherry.
That shit foams.
Looks like cherry 7-Up. Woo. Smells like red vines or some shit, man.
I like red vine.
I do too. Let's. That is tart.
That is. It bites your tongue.
Dude, that is a candy. Like, the cherry sours.
Don't hit the table.
Oh,
Sorry.
fuck.
Sorry. I almost had
Enhanced mental focus. What if you had no mental focus to begin with? What would happen to you? What would you be able to focus? Yeah, this is brain fart. This is cherry sours, the candy in a fucking like red jelly beans in liquid form.
Oh, it kind of reminds you of the cherry lollipops.
You're gonna have to come more specific with that.
The Tootsie Pops. The cherry Tootsie Pops.
They don't really remind me of Tootsie Pops.
I'ma smack you.
Like maybe a sour jelly rancher. Well,
It's so complex it stands by itself.
oh my god. Well,
That was a good save.
it was. You know what I feel like doing? I feel like taking that 90 mile per hour right hand turn.
I feel like going Super Saiyan. After this,
He's over 9,000!
oh, it's so good.
They scrub
really
the bowl
tart.
so you don't have to. I heard they're making a Joe Dirt too. I would love to see that.
200 calories.
For the whole can or just a serving?
Whole can. Per serving.
Oh, serving size is one can on that motherfucker.
One can.
You know, what kills me is these cans of energy drink say serving size is, 8 ounces, half a can. Who's going to drink half a can and put it in the fridge? Not me. Come back and that motherfucker's all flat and tasting like fucking broccolis and shit.
Broccoli. That's your kids. Soap. Ow! You do it.
Hell no, I ain't retarded. Well,
Yeah,
we have eaten and consumed a lot so far.
oh my God.
And
I am under 18. I am pregnant and I'm nursing.
So
It says women. Okay.
I was gonna say.
Woo!
I was gonna say. Let's see. Hold on. You're under 18. You're pregnant and you're nursing. So if you're pregnant and nursing a child that's probably under 6 months of age, you are in the right town, my friend.
Oh man, he'd come out dancing and kicking and hello, my lady. Anyway,
Under 18 and popping out kids like it ain't no thing.
yep. But you know, there's a show for that. 16 and pregnant.
Wonder if she
Do
took
the
NoS.
deed. Do the deed. You fucking.
Do the crime. Do the time.
Now I feel less pregnant.
Whoa!
I feel less pregnant.
I'm
now.
getting away from that fucking cloud. I'm John.
No, I'm James.
Lunchbox boys out.
Next time.
Oh, Complex 6, dude. Hopefully it don't fucking make our hair fall out or something. CMPLX6. I mean, it's like it's supposed to be Complex 6, but CMPLX6 was the cause of death.
It's complex. That's how complex it is.
Yeah, complex. It ain't even got vowels in it.
Oh man, this is not recommended for individuals under 18 years of age, pregnant or nursing. Probably because your tits will spread out fucking. Your kid will be running and going. High performance.